Mercedes Engine and Tech Survival, Episode 4. Mercedes Warning Lights You Must Never Ignore. Are you sure you know what your Mercedes is really telling you when a warning light appears? Do you panic over harmless messages while ignoring the ones that quietly destroy engines and electronics? Why do so many modern Mercedes feel perfectly fine right before extremely expensive failures? And which warning lights actually mean stop now, while others are far less dramatic than most drivers think? If you drive a modern Mercedes built between 2024 and 2026, this episode can literally save you thousands of dollars. Before we begin, if your goal is to keep your Mercedes reliable long after the warranty expires and not just until the lease ends, subscribe now. This channel is about survival, not dashboard panic or dealership myths. Modern Mercedes vehicles are packed with sensors, software, and warning systems designed to protect extremely precise machinery. The problem is not that Mercedes gives too many warnings. The problem is that most drivers do not understand which warnings matter and which ones are simply informational. Engines rarely fail suddenly. They fail after being ignored repeatedly. One of the most critical warnings in any Mercedes is the oil pressure warning. This is not the same as an oil level message. Oil pressure is the lifeblood of the engine. When oil pressure drops, bearings, camshafts, timing components, and turbochargers are instantly at risk. The engine may sound normal, and power may feel unchanged, but internal damage begins immediately. Many Mercedes engines that seize unexpectedly were driven for only a few minutes with low oil pressure. When this warning appears, the correct response is simple and non-negotiable. Stop the engine as soon as it is safe and investigate. This warning is never optional and never something to drive home carefully. Another warning that must always be treated seriously is engine overheating. Modern Mercedes engines operate at high temperatures for efficiency, but they have very little tolerance for actual overheating. Even a short overheating event can warp components, weaken head gaskets, crack plastic cooling parts, and permanently shorten engine life. Many drivers continue driving because the car still moves normally or because the warning disappears briefly. Mercedes cooling systems are designed to protect the engine, not tolerate abuse. If an overheating warning appears, damage may already be starting. Now let's talk about the check engine light, one of the most misunderstood warnings in Mercedes ownership. A steady check engine light often indicates emissions-related issues, sensor faults, or minor misfires. These should be diagnosed, but they are not always emergencies. A flashing check engine light, however, is a completely different situation. This usually indicates active misfires that can destroy catalytic converters, overheat exhaust components, and damage pistons. Continuing to drive aggressively with a flashing light can multiply repair costs dramatically in a very short time. Hybrid and mild hybrid Mercedes models introduce a new category of warnings that many owners dangerously underestimate. High voltage system warnings, hybrid system faults, or electrical drivetrain alerts should never be ignored. These systems operate at voltages that require precise thermal and electrical management. Small faults can quickly escalate into major failures if ignored. While not every hybrid warning means immediate danger, these messages should always be diagnosed promptly. Another warning that many drivers misinterpret is reduced engine power or limp mode. This is not Mercedes punishing you or forcing unnecessary repairs. Limp mode exists to protect the engine and drivetrain when the control system detects conditions that could cause damage. These include overheating, boost irregularities, fuel delivery problems, or sensor failures. Continuing to push the vehicle in limp mode defeats the system's purpose and often turns manageable issues into catastrophic ones. Now let's discuss warnings that look frightening but are often misunderstood. Oil level warnings cause panic in many Mercedes owners. Unlike oil pressure warnings, oil level messages are usually not immediate emergencies. Modern Mercedes oil level sensors are sensitive and can trigger after hard driving, on inclines, or during cold conditions. If oil level warnings appear without oil pressure warnings, you typically have time to check and top up correctly. However, repeatedly ignoring oil level warnings eventually leads to pressure problems later. Battery and charging system warnings are another area of confusion. Modern Mercedes vehicles rely heavily on stable electrical voltage. A weak battery can cause random warning lights, transmission messages, sensor faults, and even drivability issues that appear unrelated. Many owners chase engine problems that are actually electrical in nature. While battery warnings do not usually destroy engines directly, they create conditions that lead to poor engine management and secondary damage. Service reminders are another misunderstood category. Some drivers ignore them completely, while others trust them blindly. The truth lies in between. Mercedes service intervals are designed around emissions regulations, cost targets, and leasing cycles, not maximum longevity. Service reminders should be treated as a minimum requirement, not a complete maintenance strategy. Temperature warnings beyond coolant are becoming more common in modern Mercedes models. Oil temperature, transmission temperature, and even hybrid system temperatures are monitored closely. Ignoring these warnings accelerates oil breakdown, transmission wear, and drivetrain stress. High temperatures silently accelerate wear across the entire vehicle. Understanding warning colors is also critical. Yellow warnings indicate caution, not indifference. Red warnings indicate immediate action. Too many Mercedes engines fail because drivers treat yellow warnings as meaningless and red warnings as negotiable. The warning hierarchy exists for a reason. Now let's address warnings that often do not deserve panic. Minor emissions messages, temporary sensor faults, or cold start-related warnings often resolve after proper driving cycles or software updates. The mistake is ignoring everything instead of learning which warnings actually matter. Mercedes engines do not fail because drivers do not care. They fail because drivers do not know what to care about. The key to Mercedes survival is understanding context, not reacting emotionally to every message. Here is the Mercedes engine survival rule for warning lights. Warnings exist to protect extremely advanced machinery, not to annoy drivers. Engines rarely give second chances. If you respond correctly, modern Mercedes engines can last far longer than their reputation suggests. If you ignore warnings, they fail earlier than most people expect. Before we finish, here are some lesser-known truths most Mercedes owners never realize. Many engines that failed showed no dramatic symptoms until the final breakdown, but warning lights were ignored months earlier. Most turbo and hybrid failures begin with small warning messages dismissed as temporary. Mercedes software often reduces power long before mechanical damage occurs, but only if drivers respect it. Mercedes engines are not unreliable. They are intolerant of ignorance. If you want more Mercedes-specific survival guides, subscribe now. The next episode will focus on why short trips and city driving are especially destructive for modern Mercedes engines and hybrid systems. Your car is always communicating with you. The only question is whether you are listening.